Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about components of VPS and RDP. Before creating VPS and RDP, you must understand well about these. This is third video in series of VPS and RDP. So, let's start video. First let's talk about storage. First thing you need to understand is you need to choose suitable space for operating system and for your programs. There is an option for increasing storage after creating VPS. But I am not sure it is available in every cloud service provider. There is two types of storages. First one is permanent storage. Your operating system is installed on here. Second one is shareable storage. This is act as external hard drive. So, you can add and remove at any time. You can also use same shareable storage with different VPSs and RDPs. Operating system is an important component. This is the one divider that divides as VPS or RDP. You can find different versions of same operating system. Another important thing is there are two main architectures in every operating system. They are AMD and Ampere. Almost every software support for AMD architecture. But some softwares don't support for Ampere architecture. So, you need to be careful about this. You need to choose suitable RAM for your operating system and softwares. You also need to choose suitable cores count. Usually cloud service providers provide suitable internet connection. Important thing in here is public IP address. You need to choose static IP address because UVPS or RDP act as server. UVPS or RDP acts as server. So, firewall is very important thing. Firewall does opening and closing ports. For VPS and RDP, there are two firewalls. First one is provided by cloud service provider. Second one is provided by your operating system. For opening port, you must open that port on both. Opening ports is done via firewall rules. If you are using RDP, you can see there is a opening port rule for 3389. Reason for this is RDP server running on port 3389. If you are using VPS, you can see there is a opening port rule for 22. Reason for this is SSH server running on port 22. My recommendation for handling firewalls is you must open all ports in cloud service providers firewall and you must control port opening using operating system's firewall. This is the easy way to handle. I think now you have proper idea about components. In next video, let's talk about authentication methods in VPS and RDP.